Kwanza wazee bila wameniona hapo wamesema you have done it on our behalf, so can we appreciate them? But we have a powerful men and women fellowship in this church. Is it okay? Hello? Yeah, kuna mahali Pastor Christine atawekea kegosho alafu twende pamoja tukiendanga. At this point I want to welcome our youth. Our youth jana walikuwa na chapati festival. Wow, nilikula chapati and ndizi. Oh, I've not recovered. So can we appreciate our youth as they come on stage? Yeah, youth, we are waiting for you. Can you appreciate them? Appreciate them. The youth are coming. Appreciate them as they come. Youth, I'm waiting for you. Can we hurry up, please? Let's hurry up. Yeah. Let's appreciate them as they come. Wapigie makofi mzuri. I'm also a youth. Are you doubting? Okay. I'm also a youth. Are you doubting? You are doubting? What makes you doubt? The body size. Okay, sour. Because you doubted, let me sit down. Continue. No, you doubted. Let me sit down.